Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix pardon the interruption in Microsoft Store on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search Windows Update Service. Just double click on it. Startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start the service. Select apply and OK for changes. Now you just need to find update Orchestra service. Just double click on it. Startup type set this to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it and then select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type wsreset. Comes up run command, click on open it. Now you can select the update now option and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to sign out and sign back in. To do this, open up Microsoft Store and select the profile icon and select the sign out option. And now you just need to close out of the Microsoft Store. Go to search and type store. Open the Microsoft Store. Select the profile icon and select the sign in option. And now you can sign into your Microsoft account. After signing in, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to update date, time and region setting. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard Windows plus I key together to open up the settings. On left side, select time and language. On right side, select date and time. You just need to make sure to turn on the set time automatically and set time zone automatically. After turning on both, you just need to go back to time and language, select the language and region. Click on this drop down next to country or region, and you just need to select your correct region or country guys. After that, just close stuff here. Now you can open up Microsoft Store and select update now option and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, just right click on it and select app settings. Now you just need to scroll down and select the reset option. Select reset. After getting reset done, you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5, you just need to re-register the Microsoft Store. To do this, go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. After getting this command done, you just need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. Sixth method, you just need to disable proxy or VPN. To do this, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run it, you just need to type inetcpl.cpl. Click on OK. Select connections tab and select LAN settings over here. And you just need to uncheck the box guys. Use your proxy server for your LAN and click on OK. And select the plan OK. Now you just need to disable any VPN service connected to your PC. To do this, go to search menu and type VPN. Comes up VPN settings, click on open it. If you have connected to any VPN, then you just need to disable it, and now you can open up Microsoft Store and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 7 guys. Method 7, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After getting you are up to date, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.